I'm Lew Hardy. I'm Professor Emeritus is my official title in the department. So that's like a research professor, really. Well, in 1978, the first course that became sports science, then of course it was called physical education, was started, and I was appointed to develop it. So me and another guy called John Fazy came to develop it. He's moved on some time ago, and I'm still here. I used to be head of school. Now I work part-time. I just do research. I try and bring grants in. I work with young staff to help them develop their research profile, bring grants in, stuff like that. I supervise postgrads. I do just a little bit of teaching on the MSc occasionally. I have quite a lot of research interests, but they're all focused on performance psychology. So the stuff I'm probably best known for is stress and performance. In more recent times, that's sort of focused on mental toughness, so individual differences. You know, people deal with lots of different sources of pressure. Then I have research interest in personality, in motivation, in leadership and group dynamics. Really, anything that's associated with performance issues. Typically do on the MSc is more related to the applied stuff that I've done in the past. I do some stuff on there's a series of workshops for supervised experience, and I do usually do something there around working at world championships, going on tour, things like that. Big event things. I've done a lot of work in the military and for the MOD around leadership and coaching in training, trying to enhance training from a psychological perspective. I had quite a lot of projects funded by the MOD for that since about 1999, and the last one was this year, I think. And then for about the last 5 years, I've done a lot of work with the ECB, England and Wales Cricket Board, around broadly about talent development, but in a much more focused way about developing mental toughness and resilience in England cricketers, especially in the development squads. We now have a big programme that does that for from under 16s to under 19s, and that's been very successful, and that's been linked to PhD studentship. So we're just about to start the third. I am trying to run the same model with a professional football club at the moment. Can't say what it is because we've not signed the contract yet. But it's a natural extension of that same stuff. And then a big project with UK Sport, actually the biggest research project UK Sport's ever funded. That's about how the very best talent is developed.